Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Atar Ashmi and I am ready to teach you Python programming language. So I have made a syllabus for you. This syllabus will help you to understand Python step by step, and this is my video titles that I'm going to make in a future. So in the first unit we will learn introduction to Python, and today we will learn how to install a Python programming language on your Windows, Linux, or if you have Apple computer system. So how do we install this? So I have made the steps for this. So just look at this one. First you have to download a Python from official Python website. This is www.python.org, and then navigate to download section. I'll show you how you can download this. So I have just navigated to python.org. Here you can see the download section is here, and all releases source code Windows, Mac operating system. So you need to click on Windows so that the page will appear Python releases for Windows. So here you can find out 64-bit or 32-bit as required. So click on 64-bit if you have 64-bit operating system, and then this dialog box will appear, and you can start the download and you can install Python easily. After installation I will tell you what to do, but before going to the next steps, just finish the first step, how you can download, then you can run the installer. After downloading, just right click on the setup file and then click on run as administrator. Now setup option, you can choose the path means you can install anywhere on your computer system, but it is recommended to install Python programming language on your C drive so that it can be easy for you to find out the programs and scripts that you are going to write in the future. Now after customization of the installation, complete the installation and close the window. So this Python programming will appears on your start menu. You can search it over here. So these two options you can see here: Python IDLE, that is IDE means integrated development environment, and this is the script writing window, that is Python 3.12. so you can choose any one for writing a script. So we have just installed on our Windows operating system successfully, and later on if you have Linux operating system, so you can check whether it is pre-installed with Linux or not, because in some Linux distribution Python is already available with your Linux operating system. If it is not available, then just install Python using package manager. For installation of Python in Linux operating system, update the package list by typing sudo. This sudo is installation for use for installation any packages. So sudo apt update, and then after updating you can install by typing also that if you are using Debian based system, just type this command sudo apt install python pre, and if you are using Red Hat based system, you just use sudo yum install python 3. so it will install on your computer system which have Linux operating system. After that you can verify the installation. I'll show you the command also how you can install on Linux. So let's see, I'm just copying this command, and then in Windows I'm using Windows operating system and I have here installed a Ubuntu environment. So the Windows subsystem Linux has not been enabled. You have to enable this first. So let me enable this. So as you can see here, the Windows subsystem for Linux has not been enabled. So you can just open Windows features and then select here the Windows subsystem for Linux and then press OK. After pressing OK, it will download the required files. If required, then after applying changes, your Windows are ready to run Linux operating system on your Windows operating system. So just press here to continue, and then after close this window, and you need to restart, but I'm not restarting here. I'm just trying again from here, opening, and then see I have to restart the system. So after restarting system, I will continue the video. So I have just restarted the system, and here you can see Ubuntu recently added is showing here. Just click on the window, and now it requires an update to its kernel component for information. Maybe some problem is there, but why I'm installing this to show you how you can type a command in Ubuntu or Linux operating system. So if you can install on your computer system, it's easy, but if you are not able to install, just let me know on the comment section. So after installation of Python on your computer system, whether it is Linux, Mac or Windows, you just you can see here the two options are there, IDLE and Python programming. Now we can start our next topic, which is in our syllabus. Let's see. So after installation, you can see here introduction to Python syntax using the interactive shell. So I will show you the shell. What is shell? Shell is actually a command prompt. Even there you can type commands, and you can give some output from your inputting commands by inputting commands. So this is the shell script. You can see here Python 3.12, and here you can give directly commands to the Python compiler. This is actually an interpreter. It means it can interpret your commands line by line. Now what is the difference between this Python script window and Python IDLE? I'll show you. See, if you want to save your script on your computer system, if you want to write programs, you can use this Python shell. This is 2.7.5. it is actually comes with another software, that is why you're watching this version, but that's not a problem. You can create a new window from here, and you can type any script for Python over here, and then you can save it, and to run, and just press F5 from here. You can see here run module. You need to press F5, and here you can type any command line so that it can be print easily. For example, this var is a variable name, and I'm assigning a value to 5 to this variable. Now if you want to print the value of the variable, just type command print, and in brackets parenthesis, this is mandatory. If you will not include the parenthesis, it is not going to print any value, and it will raise an error. So just print var, it will show you the value of your variable. Similarly, if you want to assign a value to x 50, and see here, if you will write directly print x, it will raise an error here, but if you put on parenthesis, it will not show you the error. So be careful of typing mistakes. Do not use the variable name without parenthesis. So this is a simple example how you can run a script on a shell, and this is our first topic, introduction to Python syntax and using the interactive shell. Similarly, if you want to give a string value, say for example str is equal to your name here, and if you want to print this, just to type here print, and in brackets say str, and your name will display over here. You can replace your name with your name, and you can type you can print your name with the use of this command. So in this lecture we learn how to install Python and how you can run a script, simple script like printing and assigning values, string values, numerical values. It automatically converts the data type to any variable data. If you are assigning a numerical value like 50, it automatically creates a numeric value, numeric data type. And if you assign a string value to the variable, it automatically assigns a string data type to a variable. So this is how you can install a Python programming language on your computer system, and this is how you can properly type a command using Python programming. In the next lecture, we'll learn how you can run, edit and save the script on Python programming window. So we will learn in the next video how you can create a new window and you can write a script for Python. So see you on the next video. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.